The Top Producers program is a fantastic way to get a good overview of what it takes to run a really top performing farm business. Farm Owners Academy is all about helping you create more profit, more control, more freedom in your farm business. The key benefits of coming along is that you get a whole heap of inspiration and motivation, tools and support that can help you really make real transformation into your business, and you get to meet a heap of great farm owners that are going to challenge you in the room and help you create greater success.
This workshop sort of set it apart in the sense that it just gives you that top-down approach and that big picture approach and chunking it down to saying, right, these are the systems, you follow this, you're going to lead to success.
Like most farmers, we're probably pretty good at having a good group of consultants around us, whether it be your accountant, your agronomist, brokers, but having a coach has definitely been a positive experience. Being able to have someone that has a vested interest in the performance of your business, not just what your tax situation is, I suppose. So that's been the most beneficial thing we found from the Farm Owners Academy.
I just see it as more of a numbers and more to push you to jump in and get things proper rolling, and the things you can do is just incredible. Probably the whole planning and setting yourself up like 90 days, 3 years, 10 years, just having all the goals there to start chasing them.
The focus on mindset rather than just the business numbers has been really good, and it's very comprehensive. I'm a bit more optimistic about the future of our business. I think it's providing us with a structure that we can start to work together a bit more.
Like it or not, the language of business is finance. If you can't speak the language, you can't play the game. And business is a game. And like any other game, the more you know the rules and the better you can speak the language, the better you can play the game.
Your potential is the possibility that lies within you. All of us have potential. I really want you to embrace that idea that you have unlimited potential.
I think farmers are fantastic at this. This is why so many of you are still farming, is perseverance. Never ever give up. If you have your heart set on a goal, then stick with it.
What I love about this place is you walk in here and it's just this positive, energetic community of farm owners.
It's 2 days that you won't regret going to, and you get a lot out of it that you can take back and implement in your businesses.
If anyone's considering doing it on day 2 now, definitely jump into it. It's simple.
Get in, don't miss out. Probably the best thing you probably do.